This is kind of neat, depending on how I would shoot it. Yeah, that's kind of cool. But I got to get a shot of this car. That's why I stopped. But yeah, this is definitely a shot I need to get. Let's go to 250. That's cool, although that's going to be a weird sun reflection on there. So I want to get some different shots here. This is cool, straight on right here like this. Yes. Okay, this may be the shot of the, oh my god, this is so cool. They may not like it, but oh well, they can come out and tell me to stop. That's so neat. Oh, and there he is in the windshield. Oh good. He sticks his head out the door here. Yeah, there he is. Oh, I hope I got that. Come on, dude, stick your head out there. I'll get your photo. Shot. Boom. All right, excellent. Okay. A place called Hope, Indiana. And this is what we're working with. I don't want to freak people out, so we've got our GoPro on top of the Pentax, and it's a cool little mural, but doesn't do me any good right there. Pretty cool. Let me take another one here just in case. Very cool. Neat little town. Maybe I won't. This is Jason. Okay. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Good. Can I step behind you?
Oh, you in front of me if you need to, what have you. This is kind of a unique little town. I've never been here before, so.
Well, it is a surprising little town.
Yeah, very cool. Not sure. That's just awful close up here. Kind of like that. That's neat. Boy, this 50 just doesn't give you a lot here to work with. Never been happy with the 50 millimeter. Just don't like to have, no, just, man, everything is just so difficult to frame up. And I am working harder to actually frame things up as opposed to being crooked as I have been. So maybe I can here. This is very cool. Okay, this is working for this one. Could be better without. Again, trying to work. Okay, well I can make this work a little bit. Maybe if I back up just a little more. Okay, yeah, I can make this work now. Ah, jeez. Okay. That's a cool shot here. Definitely do not want a modern car in there though. Okay, now we can go. No cars coming, here we go. Got it. Okay, let's see, did I get that shot? I did get that shot. Okay, now I can get this shot straight up front here as well. So that's pretty neat, I guess. Okay, don't like this angle as much, but take it anyway. Make sure we're straight up and down, appear to be. There we go, nice. Okay, this lady's leaving, so that'll make for a nice shot this way. Okay, now that she's leaving, I'm getting out of the middle of the road. Hurry, she hurries up and leaves before everybody else gets here. Get out of the road, lady. Come on, hurry up. Okay, so we're ready to go if this lady ever gets out of the way. Come on, Grandma. There she goes. Okay, so now we can get this shot. Okay, here we go. Somebody else pulls up. Take this one. Okay. Got that. Very cool. Let's see if I can. Now I can get a very good angled shot here. Which I've already gotten, but we're going to take another one anyway. I should have brought 28. Damn it. Okay, this could be kind of cool. Yes, finally, I got a shot that can work. Okay. Finally got a shot that can work. Get over here with this. Okay, this could work. This could also work. Oh yeah, that could work too. Okay, this could work. No cars. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get this up here. This could be kind of cool. If I shoot it right. There's our shot. Boom. Probably on somebody's private property here, but it's just kind of neat with the boat back here, so why don't I just go ahead and get us a shot of the boat. Hurry up, looks like it's out. Okay, we got that. That's a pretty neat door right there, actually. So can I get a good shot of that door? No, why not? That's cool. Certainly hope that's not my last shot. This is just really cool. .250th of a second, F11. That's just so cool. There we go. Here's our shot. Neat. Every one of these could be the last shot on the roll. Here we go. Okay. Is not the last shot. Excellent, excellent. That's neat. Still not the last shot on the roll. Oh yeah. Actually, would have been nice to have a couple more frames. Oh, which one do I shoot? Certainly going to shoot this one. Well, that says the Bank of Flat Rock. No, I've got to shoot this one. That's really cool. See the bank of flat rock, so that's where I would have needed actually a couple more. So I can get that telephone pole and the bank itself. That way it kind of offsets it a little bit. Looks to be about perfect. So shot. And the last one on the roll. Feel like I should start another roll, but can always come back. Okay, that's awesome.